Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Imagine a life where your side hustle becomes your main hustle, giving you the freedom and income you've always dreamed of. In this video, we'll uncover the top side hustles that can transform your financial future and set you free from the daily grind. Number 1, freelance writing and content creation. Freelance writing is a versatile side hustle that can turn into a full-time career. With the rise of digital marketing, companies constantly need content for blogs, websites, and social media. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer provide opportunities to connect with clients seeking writing services. According to PayScale, freelance writers can earn between $25 to $150 per hour, depending on their expertise and the complexity of the work. Specializing in a niche, such as technology, finance, or health, can command even higher rates. Number 2, online tutoring and teaching. The demand for online education has surged, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic. Platforms like VIPKid, Teachable, and Coursera allow individuals to teach subjects they are passionate about. Whether you are proficient in a school subject, a foreign language, or a musical instrument, there is likely a market for your skills. Online tutors can earn anywhere from $20 to $80 per hour, depending on the subject and the level of expertise required. Creating your own online courses can also generate passive income as students enroll and pay for access. Number 3, e-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce has revolutionized the way we shop, and it has opened up countless opportunities for entrepreneurs. Dropshipping, in particular, has become a popular way to start an online business with minimal investment. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to set up an online store, while suppliers handle inventory and shipping. According to Shopify, successful dropshippers can earn between $1,000 and $50,000 per month, depending on their niche and marketing efforts. Researching trending products and effective marketing strategies is key to success in this field. Number 4, graphic design and digital art. For those with a creative flair, graphic design and digital art offer lucrative opportunities. Businesses and individuals are constantly in need of visual content for branding, marketing, and communication purposes. Websites like 99 Designs, Dribbble, and Behance showcase portfolios and connect designers with clients. Freelance graphic designers can earn between $30 to $150 per hour, according to Creative Circle. Additionally, selling digital products such as templates, illustrations, and fonts on platforms like Etsy and Creative Market can provide a steady stream of passive income. Number 5, real estate investing. Real estate remains one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. While it requires some initial capital, investing in rental properties can generate significant passive income. Platforms like Roofstock and Fundrise allow individuals to invest in real estate with lower entry barriers. According to the National Association of Realtors, the median gross rental income for single-family properties is around $1,500 per month. By carefully selecting properties in high-demand areas and managing them efficiently, investors can achieve substantial returns and potentially replace their day job. Number 6, podcasting and YouTube. Creating content for podcasts and YouTube channels has become a viable way to earn a substantial income. Both platforms offer monetization options through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. According to Influencer Marketing Hub, top YouTubers can earn millions annually, while even moderately successful channels can generate $1,000 to $5,000 per month. Podcasting also offers opportunities for income through listener support and premium content subscriptions. Consistency, engaging content, and effective promotion are key to building a loyal audience and achieving financial success. Number 7, stock photography and videography. If you have a talent for photography or videography, selling your work online can be a profitable side hustle. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images allow photographers and videographers to upload their content and earn royalties each time it is downloaded. According to Shutterstock, top contributors can earn thousands of dollars per month. Creating high-quality, in-demand content and optimizing your portfolio with relevant keywords can increase visibility and sales. Number 8, freelance web development and programming. The tech industry continues to grow, and with it, the demand for skilled web developers and programmers. Freelance platforms like TopTal, Upwork, and Freelancer connect tech professionals with clients seeking their expertise. According to Upwork, freelance web developers can earn between $60 to $100 per hour, while specialized skills like mobile app development and cybersecurity can command even higher rates. Building a strong portfolio of completed projects can attract high-paying clients and lead to a sustainable freelance career. Number 9, virtual assistants. As more businesses operate online, the need for virtual assistants has increased. Virtual assistants provide administrative support, manage schedules, handle correspondence, and perform various tasks remotely. Platforms like Belay, Time, etc., and Zirtual connect virtual assistants with clients. According to PayScale, virtual assistants can earn between $15 to $30 per hour. By offering specialized services such as bookkeeping, social media management, or customer support, virtual assistants can command higher rates and secure long-term clients. Number 10, fitness training and coaching. With the growing emphasis on health and wellness, fitness training and coaching have become popular side hustles. Personal trainers, yoga instructors, and wellness coaches can offer their services both in person and online. Platforms like Trainerize, MyPT Hub, and Fitbit Coach provide tools to create and manage fitness programs. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median pay for fitness trainers is around $40,390 per year. By building a loyal client base and offering personalized training programs, fitness professionals can earn a substantial income. Number 11, pet services. Pet owners are always in need of reliable services such as pet sitting, dog walking, and grooming. Websites like Rover, Wag, and Care.com connect pet service providers with pet owners. According to Rover, top dog walkers can earn up to $1,000 per month. Offering exceptional care and building a good reputation can lead to repeat business and referrals, making this a viable full-time career. Number 12, handmade crafts and products. For those with a knack for crafting, selling handmade products online can be a fulfilling and profitable side hustle. Platforms like Etsy, Artfire, and Handmade at Amazon allow crafters to reach a global audience. According to Etsy, the top 25% of sellers earn more than $3,000 per year, with some earning significantly more. Creating unique, high-quality products and marketing them effectively can turn a hobby into a thriving business. Number 13, social media management. With the explosion of social media platforms, businesses are keen to establish a strong online presence. Social media managers help brands create and manage their profiles, engage with followers, and develop marketing strategies. This role involves content creation, scheduling posts, and analyzing performance metrics. According to Glassdoor, social media managers can earn between $50,000 and $70,000 per year, with experienced freelancers charging $50 to $100 per hour. Building a portfolio of successful social media campaigns can attract high-paying clients and turn this side hustle into a full-time career. The rise of the gig economy and the increasing availability of online platforms have made it easier than ever to pursue side hustles. These secondary income streams can not only supplement your primary job, but also potentially replace it, offering greater flexibility, higher earnings, and increased job satisfaction. By dedicating time and effort to building a successful side hustle, you can achieve financial independence and enjoy a more fulfilling career.